biochemical process of oxidative breakdown of glucose and produce energy. Again, I am repeating. Respiration is biochemical process of oxidative breakdown of glucose and produce energy. Yes. Listen, again, I am taking in simple way. Listen. Respiration is a biochemical process in which energy produced after breakdown of glucose. Okay. You know, in respiration, for the respiration process, yes, for respiration process, some, yes, what happened? Yes, what happened? Apna mic mute karo. Yes, for the respiration process, some substrates are required. These substrates are called the respiratory substrate. What are that? Respiratory substrate. And what is the example of respiratory substrate? You know, glucose is a respiratory substrate. In plant, glucose is stored in the form of the starch, or in animal, glucose is stored in the form of the glycogen. Okay, so what happened after the breakdown of starch in plant, energy produced. So in plant, respiratory substrate is starch, or in animal, respiratory substrate is glycogen. Okay, now I'm taking here, before that, you know, the types of respiration. First of all, I'm taking the two type of respiration take place in living being. What is that? The one is called the aerobic respiration. Second is called anaerobic respiration. First of all, I am taking aerobic respiration. You know, what is aerobic respiration? Respiration take place in the presence of O2. Respiration take place in the presence of O2 called aerobic respiration. Okay. And respiration take place in the absence of O2 called anaerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration? Respiration take place in the absence of O2 called anaerobic respiration. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, beta. Any doubt in respiration
Ma'am,
and
what
types of... Yes, speak loudly.
ma'am, what
Yes.
is the difference between breathing and respiration?
Listen me. Again, I'm taking breathing is not explained by me. I'm taking breathing. What is the breathing? Breathing is a simple exchange of gases. Means in breathing only, we take O2 and give out CO2. Breathing is a simple exchange of gases. Yani during breathing, no energy production process is there. But during the respiration, the energy is produced. Means what is the difference between breathing, simple exchange of gases, respiration, biochemical process, oxidative breakdown of the glucose, energy produced in respiration, in breathing energy production is absent. Now next difference in between the breathing and respiration. What is that? In breathing, no enzyme is required. But beta, for the respiration, enzymes are compulsory. Okay, now next difference. In breathing, no, for the breathing, spatial organ is not required. But for the respiration, spatial organ is required. Okay, spatial organ required for the respiration, spatial organ is not required for the breathing. In breathing, energy production absent, energy production present in the respiration. Okay, or any if you have any doubt, you can ask me question. What is the difference between the breathing, respiration? What is a respiration? What is a respiratory substrate? Yes, any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, beta. Any doubt? Yes or no to bolo. Yes or no bolo beta. Any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to writing equation. My backside camera open. This pen is visible now. Okay. Now look here. During the respiration, what happened? Glucose is back down. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6 in the presence of oxygen, O2. What happened? Glucose break down. And what is produced? glucose is break down and 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus 38 ATP release. Okay, this equation is visible or not? Yes, beta, this equation is visible.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now it is visible properly. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen me. What happened during the respiration? This is the glucose. Look here. Look here. Left side में कर दिया. अब visible है. Now it is visible. Yes, beta. Full equation is visible or not? 6CO2, C6H12O6 plus 6O2 give rise 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus 38 ATP. Yes, full equation is visible. Better give reply fast.
No, ma'am.
Now visible. Yes, visible now, na? Give me reply. Otherwise,
Yes,
how I
ma'am.
know? Okay. Now listen me. What I'm saying you, I already taught you the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. You know, during the breakdown of the food, what is produced? Energy is produced. What is produced? Energy in the form of ATP. In which form? ATP. Now question is arise. What is the full form of ATP? Anybody else give me answer? What is the full form of ATP?
Adenosine triphosphate.
Adenosine triphosphate.
Yes, you are right. Adenosine triphosphate, ATP is produced. Where ATP is stored? Yes, give me reply.
Mitochondria.
ATP is stored in mitochondria. When for the biochemical activity, energy is required. On that time, what happened? ATP break down into the ADP by using energy. ATP utilize energy break down into the ADP plus P. Okay, and energy is released. What happened? ATP, when energy required for biochemical activity, ATP breakdown formed ADP, phosphate release, and what is formed? Energy is released. And this is the breakdown of ATP. What is the full form of ADP? Who is going to give me answer?
Adenosine diphosphate.
Yes, right. And phosphate is released. So means energy is stored. Energy is given, utilized for biochemical activities. Up when after the breakdown of glucose, energy is produced. How that energy ATP is formed? Same. ADP combined with the P and form the ATP. After the breakdown of the glucose, energy is released. That energy P combined with, on that time, ADP combined with the P and form the ATP. Okay? Okay. Yes. Any doubt you can ask me question till? If you have any doubt, you can ask me question till. Yes, beta? Any doubt? Yes. Samiksha, any doubt? Sahil, any doubt? Yes, beta, unmute your mic and give me reply.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, beta. Okay, now I'm taking types of respiration. Listen me. Already I taught you types of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Listen me, beta. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration, the different types of respiration take place in the living being. That pathway I am taking here. You know, first of all, I am taking glucose formula. C6H12O6. Breakdown of glucose pathway. Listen me. This is visible or not? Visible now? So first of all, I'm saying in the absence of the O2 means anaerobic respiration. In which organism it is take place? In the yeast. You know what is the yeast? Anybody else give me reply? What is yeast? Yes.
I mean, it is a type of fungi.
Fungus, unicellular organism. So means in unicellular organism, anaerobic respiration take place means minus O2 in the absence of O2. What is formed? What is it complete only in the any respiration process is complete in cytoplasm and mitochondria, 2 areas. But in yeast, in unicellular, respiration process complete in only cytoplasm. Where it is complete? It complete only in the cytoplasm. Or in the cytoplasm, what is formed? Pyruvate. What is formed? Pyruvate is formed. Okay. It is a 3-carbon compound. What is a pyruvate? Pyruvate is a 3-carbon compound. Okay. In yeast, pyruvate is formed, and that pyruvate in cytoplasm only convert into ethanol plus CO2 plus energy release or ATP release. Energy and ATP. Okay. Means same energy in the form of ATP. Okay. So what happened in anaerobic